Hello students, let us see the problem number 307. Among the following, the boiling point is highest. Okay, so four options there given student. First one is the ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. Second one is diethyl ether C2H5 dimethyl ether, not ethyl. So methyl group is what student? Methyl group is CH3 CH3 and third option is acetone CH3 C double bond O and CH3, and last one is chloroform is there student. Chloroform formula CHCl3, right student? So this is the option number A, this is B, this is C, and this one is the D option. This form the extensive hydrogen bonding. It form extensive hydrogen bonding. Extensive hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Okay student, extensive hydrogen bonding. Okay, and other these three are there. These three, very less hydrogen bonding. Very less hydrogen bonding. Very less hydrogen bonding. Okay, very less hydrogen bonding. See, hydrogen bonding with water molecule. With water molecule. Okay, why student with water? It form extensive hydrogen bonding with water molecule. Okay, so what is meaning of this? Why it is happening student? See, their hydrogen is directly attached with the oxygen. Here is hydrogen is directly not attached with the oxygen. Here is hydrogen is directly not attached with the oxygen. Here is there is no hydrogen is not directly attached with the oxygen. So that is what is condition student. Elements, note I am writing note. Okay, elements having hydrogen atom, elements having hydrogen atom attached with which one is to oxygen, nitrogen or fluorine form stronger hydrogen bonding. Stronger hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. So you see student, in which case hydrogen atom is, in which case the elements having H atom, in which case oxygen hydrogen atom is direct with the oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine. So here is the direct is there because it is can read C2H5 OH is there, direct is there. Here no direct hydrogen student, with the carbon is there. Here no oxygen not, with the carbon is there. Here is also with the carbon. So correct option is option number 1 only, and the correct answer will be option number 1. Now greater the strength of, one more point student, greater the strength of H bonding, greater the strength of H bonding, greater the strength of H bonding proportional to, greater the strength of H bonding proportional to boiling point. Okay, so boiling point. So which is having the highest strength student? That highest strength is ethyl alcohol. So it is having the highest boiling point. Thank you so much for watching students.